The forwarder contract is an extension to the exchange contract that is intended to simplify the user experience of making a trade. Specifically, it abstracts away some of the most confusing steps for the end user. First of all, typically an end user must convert their Ether to wrapped Ether before making a trade over the 0x protocol. Wrapped Ether is a ERC20 representation of Ether that is backed one-to-one in a completely trustless way. Ether natively lacks the functionality that is necessary to efficiently interact with smart contracts, and this is why you must convert it to wrapped Ether before using it within the protocol. The forwarder contract will do this automatically on the user's behalf. In addition, users must typically approve the 0x asset proxy contracts to transfer their assets on the user's behalf before actually making a trade. The forwarder contract will also take care of this for you. And finally, the forwarder contract will also typically perform a market buy, which minimizes the chance of failures of the trade. 0x Instant is an embeddable widget that can be added to a website with just a few lines of code that is a front end for the forwarder contract and allows you to very easily buy tokens from relayers that is connected to in a single transaction. So here we have a relayer who is providing orders to the 0x Instant front end, and then a taker will simply send Ether and a batch of orders to the forwarder contract through 0x Instant. The forwarder contract will take that Ether, convert it to wrapped Ether, and then make a trade on the exchange contract, which will then follow the regular flow of the 0x pipeline.